Some days, I don't have a destination. No big ride planned, no perfect conditions. Just me, my bike, and the road. And that's enough. It's easy to get caught up in thinking every ride has to be epic. That if you don't have the perfect weather, the perfect route, the perfect mindset, then it's not worth going out at all. But that's just another way our brains trick us into staying stuck. Lately, life's been heavy. And if I'm honest, sometimes I don't feel like doing anything at all. But that's exactly why I get on the bike anyway. Not every ride is about adventure. Some rides are just about showing up for yourself. When your mind tells you that you have to wait for the perfect moment to do something, call bullshit. Because the truth is, the perfect moment rarely comes. Sometimes, you just have to start moving, even when you don't feel ready. I don't ride because life is easy. I ride because life is hard. Because every time I get on this bike, I remind myself that movement, any movement, is better than staying stuck. So if you're waiting for just the perfect moment, don't. Just go. Even if it's a short ride, even if it's messy, just go.